Have you ever wondered what it takes to be the financial backbone of a rapidly growing tech company? Today, we're diving into the world of Qonto, a leading European fintech startup that's revolutionizing business banking. And we're not just here to talk about their innovative products, we're here to introduce you to the key player behind their financial success, the new CFO of Qonto. Qonto has been making waves in the fintech industry, attracting significant investments and expanding its user base at an impressive rate. But with such rapid growth comes the need for a strong financial foundation. That's where the CFO comes in. Who is the new CFO? Our new CFO, Anita Sarek, brings a wealth of experience to the table. Provide a brief overview of their career, highlighting key achievements and relevant experience. Before joining Qonto, Anita Sarek held senior financial roles at previous companies where they demonstrated their ability to list key skills or accomplishments. Why is this appointment significant? The appointment of Anita Sarek as CFO of Qonto is a strategic move that signals the company's commitment to financial stability and growth. With their expertise in specific areas of expertise, Anita Sarek will play a crucial role in list key responsibilities or goals. What does this mean for Qonto? This new leadership appointment has significant implications for Qonto's future. By bringing their specific skills or qualities to the table, Anita Sarek will help to list potential benefits or outcomes. This could include list examples of potential benefits, such as improved financial performance, enhanced risk management, or accelerated growth. The appointment of Anita Sarek as CFO of Qonto is a testament to the company's ambitious goals and its commitment to financial excellence. With their leadership, Qonto is well positioned to summarize key benefits or expectations. As Qonto continues to expand its reach and offerings, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the fintech industry. So, there you have it. That's a brief introduction to the new CFO of Qonto. If you're interested in learning more about Qonto or the fintech industry, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.